All right, we're going to give you a couple quick little hints here to install the catback exhaust, MRT catback exhaust on the Explorer ST. This is a direct bolt-in system, so we're going to remove the stock system by loosening the band clamp here and band clamp here. That is going to be the only joint that we're going to detach from the car. But a couple hints. We have a hanger right here that you reach between the two tubes to get at the two bolts holding it to the body. Recommend taking this isolator down, which is right here. Take that down with the system. It's going to be reused when we do the MRT system, but it's going to help you take this down if you remove that. And then in the very back here, we have an isolator straight above where I'm pointing, and it is attached with one bolt to the frame rail. And this is one here on each side of the car. Remove that from the car. That's going to leave then just these two hangers holding the exhaust system. So this is definitely going to be a two-person removal. Once you loosen the clamps, remove the three isolators I just pointed to, then we're going to lift up and slide the isolator off of the hanger. I recommend grease, WD-40, PB Blaster, some sort of lube. These things are a bit of an arm wrestle to slide off, but they do slide off. Once they're off, this whole exhaust system is coming down in one piece.